Hey, what's up, everybody? This is Blessed Lion here, coming in with a new video showing how I'm gonna, what do you call it? I'm gonna empty my tank because right now I had this fuel in here and this is how it sounds. So right now I gotta empty the tank and I'm gonna use this right here. See, it's got an arrow. So when I squeeze it, it's gonna suck, hopefully, from the tank into the container right there. See how that works. Alright, so I'm gonna put one hose into the tank and the other hose into the gas container. I'm gonna squeeze and see what happens. Oh, it's coming. It helps if the container is on the ground, I believe. Well, that's so much better than just sucking it. Alright, so this is the suction. It's gonna be a while because I actually just filled up, apparently. I was heading to Brooklyn, or made it into Brooklyn, and the clutch broke on me. So now, I had to have filled up somewhere in Long Island. Yeah, but this bad gas is not good. This actually seized up on the tank. You know, I had to force it open or play with it for a long time. So I eventually got it working, and then I put some WD-40 and got it nice and loose again. So it's gonna be a while. This is how it looks in the tank.
I didn't put that outside.